Flipped learning and flipped classroom are a popular new trend in education, but what does it mean? And is it really that new? Let us begin by defining what a traditional classroom looks like. Traditionally, courses have been structured in the following way. During class, the teacher delivers a presentation that introduces students to new concepts and learning materials. Meanwhile, students mostly listen to the presentation and maybe take notes. Later on, at home, students review the notes to learn the material presented in class, and maybe complete some practical exercises that the teacher has assigned as homework. We can summarize this setup with the following graph. There is a teaching phase, in which material is delivered, which takes place in class, and then a learning phase, in which students engage more actively with the material, which take place out of class. In a flipped classroom, this framework is reversed, so students first discover new material at home, for example through assigned reading, or increasingly so, in the form of didactic videos. Because the delivery stage takes place out of class, class time can be dedicated to practical activities which allow the students to actively engage with the material in the presence of the teacher, and often in collaboration with other students. You might be asking, is that all? And is it really new? Haven't many teachers been assigning reading to complete before class to students before? Well, yes, some of them have, but often, once in class, students are still exposed to a teacher presentation that goes over the same material. In a flipped classroom, that second delivery does not occur, but most of all, a flipped classroom is more than just a time and space shift between teaching and learning. It is, in fact, a revolution in the way we conceive the role of teachers, which are no longer seen as primarily charged with transferring knowledge, but assume the roles of mentors that guide the students in mastering new skills and understanding when and how to use the information they have been learning. This is achieved by a specific, extremely goal-oriented course design, and by a careful choice of the activities to be assigned both at home and in class. If you are interested to learn more about this, feel free to visit us at brightblue.ch.